Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and today we are doing the ultimate lazy girl workout. Now what I mean by that is we are just gonna stay on our mat the entire time. So we're not standing. All you're gonna need is a set of weights. I'm doing 10 pounds. Feel free to increase that or lower it, whatever works for you. This is 10 minutes, so you know the drill. I'm gonna set my timer and we are gonna get right into it. So go ahead and grab your weights. We're gonna start by lying on our backs. And we're gonna be doing some chest presses. So we're gonna have one weight in each hand. Exhale as we come up, inhale as we come down. We got my cat here cheering you on. Now I want to challenge you and really focus on your form. So as we come up, we're thinking about sending those arms straight to the ceiling. As we lower, can we stop maybe an inch before those elbows actually touch the ground? Exhale, we come up. Inhale, we lower. Really important here that we make sure we're breathing. I know I talk about that all the time, but we need that exhale to really fuel and send oxygen into those muscles. Keeping this nice and slow. Okay, we're gonna take 5 more and then we're gonna turn this into a fly. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Meet me at the top. We're gonna flip those wrists in and we're taking it into a fly. So this time we're gonna widen those elbows and we're dropping it down and bringing it right back up. So think about opening wide and then closing and hugging a giant beach ball. Inhale, we open. Exhale, we close. Really getting into your chest here, those pecs. Once again, challenging you that we're not dropping those elbows all the way down. We're keeping those muscles turned on. It's 10 minutes, right? We want to get the most bang for our buck here. Inhale, we open. Exhale, we close. Now go ahead and check in with your pelvis. There should be a slight tilt in that pelvis, helping to keep that spine nice and aligned. We've got just 5 more here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Set those down. Guess what? We're in a perfect position for some glute bridges. So let's just get right into those. So go ahead and stay where you are. Check with those heels that they're about at those fingertips, maybe an inch or 2 away. And then we're gonna slowly think about sending those hips all the way up to that ceiling. Booty's engaged, hamstrings are starting to wake up, and then slowly lowering back down. This one we really wanna focus on going slow. That's gonna help us find that connection, find those muscles. Now if we're ready for more, we're sending those hands up to that ceiling. In doing so, it's really forcing us to work even deeper into our glutes because we've now lost those 2 hands that we're pushing into the floor. Driving down into our heels, maybe we're lifting through those toes, forcing ourselves to get even deeper into those heels. Okay, we're gonna do 10 more and then you're gonna meet me at the top. So we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're at the top. Hands can stay up or they can come down. And we're gonna march it out. So we're lifting up 1 foot at a time. Now this one is tricky. Our goal here is to keep those hips in line. So we're not rocking from side to side. We're using that glute to hold ourselves in place. Giving me just 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay up. We're going to pulse it out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down. Great job. Little shake off if you need it. Now from here, we're gonna stay exactly where we are. I want you to think about widening your stance though. We're gonna send those hands up to the ceiling and we're gonna do some crunches, reaching those hands through those legs. Now our hands are here as a guide, but I don't want you to use your hands as a whip. So we're not going like this. Too easy. No momentum here. This is all in that core. Maybe every time we crunch, we're trying to reach 1 inch past those knees. Breathing through this, focusing on that control. We have 10 more and we're gonna meet in that highest crunch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're reaching up really high. We're gonna pulse it out 1 inch up, 1 inch down. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Quick little stretch here. 3 minutes left. You've got this. Stay with me. We're going to take this into a plank. So we're going to be on our hands. Now right away, pop up to those toes if you need less. We're on our knees, but challenge yourself today. Try those toes and really hold yourself in that nice strong plank, grounding out through those shoulders. We're just in a static hold here. In just a couple seconds, come on, cat, Rizzo, move. In just a couple seconds, we're gonna do some knee taps. So we're just gonna go down and come up. We'll head there in 3, 2, 1. We go down, we come up. No movement in that upper body. We're not here for long. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. All right, we're gonna take this down and we're gonna hit some swimmers. So we're laying completely with our stomach on the floor. Hands are out, legs are out. We're just swimming it out. Strengthening through our shoulders, our glutes, that back. This is kind of a full body one. 10 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Oh, my hair's going crazy. Okay, we're gonna take this into some frog pumps. Head can go down. Knees are wide, heels are together. We're just lifting those heels up, up, down. We should feel it right in that glute. Really focusing on squeezing those heels together, holding that $100 bill in those heels. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it at the top for 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is it, final 15. We're finishing with some push-ups. Knees or toes, you've got this. We're down, elbows are wide, we're up. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, woo, and 1. Yes, you got it. Woo, crushed it. 10 minutes, we stayed on the mat, you killed it. Thank you so much for joining me. You know the drill. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll be seeing you again very soon right here on the mat.